Alright, I'm about to get home here and I'm gonna drive the front up on ramps and I'm gonna start draining the front diff fluid. We're gonna put new diff fluid in it today. Alright, we're looking at the front differential here. This is the drain plug right here. And this is the fill plug. It's always good practice to take the fill plug off first, because if you can't get that off, there's no point in taking the drain plug off. So yeah, let's get the fill plug off and then the drain plug out and we'll let it all drain. Alright, we have an 8mm hex bit. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. I'm going to use this pump to get the fluid up into the diff. I'm going to put the drain plug back in first. Okay, that tube's going into the fill hole. And this tube is going to go into this container. And they're both going to connect to this. And when I pump that, it's going to pull fluid out of that container and it's going to put it up into the diff. And once it starts dripping out of the differential, we can pull the tube out and put the plug in. Okay, I cleared the line out. Okay, I already sent fluid through the line so there's no dirt or anything in it. I'm gonna put it in there and we're just gonna start filling it with fluid until it starts overflowing.